So somebody asked, can photographers, can filmmakers and videographers still beat AI? And I'm making these quick 4-minute videos just to get to the point, tell you what I think in a very casual atmosphere. So let me know how you like those. But can you beat AI? And the answer is absolutely yes, but sort of. Okay, I think that AI, let's just get right to the point of it, AI is going to consume the people who are following trends, the people who are following and copying someone else's style, because essentially what you are in of itself is AI, but at a much slower rate, because AI can just do things 1,000 times faster than a human being could. So like when you are copying someone else's work, AI is going to look at patterns, and that's what AI does, and repeats patterns, and it does it better and faster and more efficiently. And then in that case, AI is going to eat you alive. And I don't want to doing that. Somebody has to tell you the truth. The AI phenomenon is basically going to come after the people that copy. So let's push them to the side. Now, who is going to survive AI? It is the people who are original, the exact opposite of who I just described. Now, you might think, man, how am I supposed to do this? Well, whatever goes in through here is your natural intelligence, and AI is artificial intelligence. But there's something really cool about that, in that AI can help this do much better work. AI comes after the fact, is on the left, you know, like we look at history, and NI, natural intelligence, is on the right. It's moving forward. Now it's gonna move a lot slower, it's gonna be a lot moodier, and it's going to be something that constantly changes its mind, but it is original thought, where AI is not that. It's a reductive version of what you originally thought. So will it kill people? Will it kill the photography world? Will it kill filmmaking and videography? To a certain extent, absolutely, but I don't feel bad for the people that are in it just for the fame and for the clout. I want people to be in it for the artistic value of it and to hopefully make a full-time income. That's what I think AI is going to do. But here is where we as a community, should I stand, should I sit? I'll just sit, that's okay. Here is what AI is doing that you may not be doing, that I am not doing, and all of our other peers. AI is putting the work in every single day to earn its place in the market. So it's creating thousands of images per second on Midjourney, DALL-E, and any other place, Runway, and you know, all the normal places, okay? Where you and I, hopefully not too much you and I, but other people are sitting on the sidelines and we're saying, oh man, that sucks. AI just sucks. AI is gonna kill us. But we're not even playing the game. We're sitting on the sidelines, and that's what critics do. And that's what really unhappy critics do. You know, when you think about your career, the people that are putting you down are the people not doing it, because the people actually hustling and doing what they're supposed to be doing would never insult you. So if you want to be relevant in the AI world, then you're gonna have to go and make work. We're living in a place where today it's Sunday, tomorrow Donald Trump is gonna be sworn in as a second term of his presidency of the United States. Some people are just mind blown and devastated by that. Some people are so excited and like finally we're getting somebody good. Your opinion is your opinion, it's none of my business. What I do care though is that you go and you tell your stories. There is Jesse Rodriguez, a photographer that I found on Threads, and then I reposted him on my Instagram. He went and told some of the LA wildfire stories. Yeah, we could rely on the news, which is not even real news most of the time. We could rely on like drone shots and things like that, but he went in there and he felt the heat, physically the heat of those fires, and he told a story through his point of view. I could be walking with him, and I know he's snuck into those places, but that's okay, and I commend that as long as he's safe and you don't disrespect someone else's property. But I could stand there next to him and be like, hey man, give me your camera, let me take the same shot. It will never come out like his, and his will never come out like mine. That is unique. Your fingerprint is unique. Your ideas are unique. What your eyes see are unique. You choose, it's your career, whatever you want to do. If you want to honor your natural intelligence, or you want to sit on the sidelines and you want to watch AI slowly take over as you are a disgruntled critic. I really hope that you are not that. I really hope that you are someone that's going to fight and earn your place, and I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that I do that. By the way, my Discord is such an amazing little spot. It's a safe space, and we're going to be launching in the next couple of weeks, so I'm doing early entry only, and it's free. It is free. Link down below. Okay? Thank you.